पेपर लिखना एक बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है, लेकिन सही जर्नल चूज करना उससे भी ज्यादा क्रूशियल। मोस्ट ऑफ द स्कॉलर्स वेस्ट वीक्स सर्चिंग द राइट जर्नल. Today in this video, I will show you complete workflow using Jenni AI. But before that, you have to do three things. Convert your research idea into the right keywords, then find the most relevant research papers, and third, evaluate using the three-pass reading method.
A three-pass method is comprises of three phases. Phase 1 जहां पर मैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ टाइटल एब्स्ट्रैक्ट और कीवर्ड्स को देखकर ये पता करती हूँ कि क्या वो मेरे पेपर के कोर आइडिया, क्या वो मेरी रिसर्च की फाउंडेशन से अलाइन करता है या नहीं करता. If the paper is aligning with what I am thinking or what I am building, तो वो पेपर फेज 2 में जाता है. Phase 2 में I'll read the conclusion, discussion, methodology just to understand कि वो paper कहाँ पे fit होता है. And the phase 3, I will read the whole paper and highlight important aspects like variables, methodology, key findings and objectives जो मेरी research के foundation को बनाने में help करेगी. I'll be using 3-pass method जिससे मैं अपने हर एक पेपर को चेक करूंगी.
अब आपके पास आपके टॉपिक से रिलेटेड एटलीस्ट 15 to 30 relevant research papers हैं. Now the next question is, इन papers का करना क्या है? And secondly, मुझे अपने टॉपिक से रिलेटेड जर्नल कैसे मिलेगा? Instead of saving all these papers in a folder on my laptop, I'll be simply choosing an intelligent research library using Jenni AI. Step number 1, upload all your papers to Jenni AI. Open your Jenni AI dashboard and navigate to the research library. Create a new collection related to your topic. Now upload all your shortlisted research papers. Wait for a moment while Jenni indexes and processes them. Step number 2, understand your paper better. Select all your papers and ask these questions. What are the common themes across this paper? Which variable are studied most frequently? Which research methods are commonly used? And what are the limitations mentioned across the paper? After Jenni gives you an answer, ask the next prompt. Create a comparison table of these paper including objective, methodology, variable, sample findings, and limitations. Step number 3, identify your research gap. Once Jenni has analyzed your literature, it's time to identify possible research gap. Ask, based on this paper, what areas are underexplored or what future directions are consistently suggested. ये प्रॉम्प्ट आपकी क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग को रिप्लेस नहीं करेंगे, बल्कि आपको हेल्प करेंगे पैटर्न्स को ज़्यादा एफिशिएंटली आइडेंटिफाई करने में. After Jenni has given you answer, now cross-check each and every gap. Understand the paper, read the metrics, and now you are equipped with the proper knowledge. Step number 4, develop your paper direction. Understand the literature and ask Jenni to structure your research. And step number 5, finding the suitable journal. After having the clear paper direction, ask Jenni, suggest journal suitable for this manuscript, suggest Scopus-indexed journal that matches the research topic, Q1 or Q2 journal suitable for this paper, journal with fast review timeline. Now Jenni will take some time and help you out structure each and everything. किस जर्नल में पेपर जाना चाहिए, सबसे बेस्ट सूटेबल जर्नल कौन सा है, and how you can even publish your paper there. Step number 6, verify before submission. Take a few minutes to verify all the details provided by Jenni AI and then start with the publication strategy. So here is the final workflow. Following this workflow help you make informed decision at every stage instead of relying on guesswork. Comment Jenni to get the complete research workflow, including the exact Jenni AI prompt I used in this video. Jenni AI isn't just an academic writing tool, it will help you organize literature, structure your research, and help you write more efficiently. Use the coupon code SUNRAJ20 to get additional 20% discount on monthly and yearly subscriptions. If you want to learn how to use AI the right way for research, comment I am smart and we will share the course details with you.
If you like this video, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll be meeting you soon in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.